sta- storing the state file. So where is the state file? There is main.tf.state. That's the file is the main state file. So last class yesterday we did two practicals. So here this is the .tf state. So it is not visible. So that extension not having. So if you want to open that state file, it is different for in the folder here physically. This file. Why this file is important? It is a plan. So we are created with our virtual machine. This using this state file. So state file will be helpful. So whenever anybody is disturbed, so you are created one virtual machine in the cloud. So so after that somebody or sometime some updation happen or something patching. So we don't know what is the issue that is corrupted that virtual machine you are created. So you want to the reset restore. So normally Windows we having the restore a backup point. We will create something even though suddenly Windows system shut down. So we will open when browser will be pop up restore that font. So restore the previous closed browsers, restore the WordPress file, Word file, so like Excel file. So like that they are restoring. So same manner. So we are storing the safe manner that tf state file, and that will be not deleted by anybody. So we will do the some policies and things. I will explain later. So here I am not having any virtual machine present. I think you understood that what is the important of significance of important of storing the tf state file into remote. If you are storing the local, so you will be use after creation you will be not storing the this file into the remote. Then then futurely any issue happen to you can't restore the your VM. I think you understood that this point. Anybody having issue? Why I'm storing this state file into remote? So that is the thing the only we are discussing. So how we are storing the remotely with a safe and a safe hand method. That is the protecting the state file with a remote with a remote backend. So backend means that is the process of remote. So maybe you can store this in storage of Azure or AWS, other GCP, anywhere. That's not important. You can store anywhere. That's the thing. So when a Terraform handle resources, it writes the state of this resource. So by default, this file is called Terraform TF state file. Is created locally. Correct now it is in the your local system. This is state files for yesterday class. This is my local system. This is also my local system. This is also my local system. If my system corrupted or I deleted, enter the state of the so created virtual machines will be gone. But virtual machine will not affect anything. But if you have any problem happen in the virtual machine, I want to set right that machine as it is created with this plan. This is a building plan like. So I want the same shape out that virtual machine. So using this we can do. So without this we can't do exactly. This is very problematic. So any doubts about this statements I am giving, na? Because after understanding that statement, I will go for the next. Srinivas, understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Manikanta and Suresh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suresh, you understood?
Yes, sir.
మొహమాటానికి చెప్పకండి. అర్థం కాకపోతే అర్థం కాలేదని చెప్పండి. ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. నేను చెప్తే అర్థం అవ్వాలని ఖచ్చితంగా ఏం లేదు కదా. సో డౌట్ ఉండి మొహమాటానికి చెప్పకూడదు. సో నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఇంకా తగులుతుంది సార్ డౌట్ ఇంకా అని. అలా అడుగు డౌట్ ఉంటే.
మాకు డౌట్ ఏం లేదు సార్.
ఓకే. హేమంత్. హలో హేమంత్. అన్మ్యూట్ కావాడు. సో I want to store the state file into the remote and means cloud. So for future, any that what I using this state file I applied and created. I think your mic is problem, Hemant. Your earphones.
హలో
Hemant. You
వినిపిస్తుందా అండి?
understood?
అండర్స్టూడ్.
Okay. Okay, sure. So this state file I am using for future purpose. That's the thing. Vilunama, suppose if you feel anything. So it will be useful for the future. And whenever a system disturbed any formatted anything happen, I will do the using the state file and I will apply same. So it will restore to the same, correct? Na? So we already did this a lot of times. State file anything changed and will apply. Na? Same thing will be apply and creating the resources. That's why. So how we are storing this one? So that's the process now. So knowing this file contains the status of the infrastructure. It should not be deleted. If deleted, Terraform might not be behave as expected when it is executed. So it must be. So it must accessible at the same time by all members of the team who are handling the resource on the same infrastructures. So I want to store this one into the future remote in the cloud. That state file. That's okay. And it will be access. It should max access to all the team members. So if you are the all the people are the team members. You are working for one project. So we should access this state file all. Correct na? So that is the one thing. And this file can contain sensitive data, so it must be secure. So this is a secured data having. Why? Sometime we are using user id, correct? And so it is having sensing data. That is the thing. Sorry. The sensitiveness means you are creating the sun user id, password, some virtual network IDs and user storage data name. So we are creating giving that file having the sensitive sensitive data. That's the thing. So that should be a secure. So only authentication people, only team member, only who are project working this for this one, that people only can access. Otherwise nobody. So I want to secure that. It is need or it is need or not? Securing the state file is need or not?
Need సార్.
Need na? So okay. So when provisioning multiple environment, so I am asking the already 100 times I told actually. What is the provisioning?
సార్.
Hmm? As your own definition, please tell me. What is provisioning? Manikanta, are you there na today? What is the provisioning? So keep what's in your mind and don't erase after the class. Provision means providing. So multiple environments. Environments means dev, QA, stage, production, like every subscription, every location. If I create a resource group for using uh, development, one is production. So that is the environment, different environment. What is the dev environment, development environment, production environment, staging environment, like that. So provision means providing, so we are doing the deployments in the cloud. It is necessary to be able to multiple state files. So suppose means now I am created resource group. So in resource group I created some time tagging, correct na Manikanta?
Yes, sir.
So what is the tagging? So that is a referring the some environment. So if I creating the names na, that is the environment. So multiple state files, so that time we need multiple environments, multiple files. First class, I think second class, we are created main of tf state with different terminologies na.
Yes, sir.
This one I think. So Suresh TF plan, main.tf plan, money.tf plan. So this is a multiple state files na, correct or not? Multiple means
Many, sir.
single, many. Single not. So
Many.
two or more.
Yes, sir.
So that is multiple. So multiple is there. So each file is referring the one environment. One environment means one uh, one flavor environment means in the respect of food item. If you want to say environment is one flavor. If now we will eat ice cream. So choco, strawberry, fruity. I think I know three names only. So like that is one um, environment means one flavor. So each flavor is the each environment. So this is one environment, this is one environment. So Suresh Teflon is one environment. So we need to store the save the safe and store secure with the multiple environment state files. So each everything will be the one is dev, one is stage, and one like strawberry, choco, and the like normal cake. That's the thing. This file can contain sensitive data, so it must be secure. That's okay. We understood. When provisioning multiple environments, it needs to be able to use multiple state files. So I am giving. I already explained that we have a multiple environments like dev, stage, QA, production. So I already, so these is environments like flavors. So that's why we are having the three environments, four, two or more. So why need to maintain environments? This is my question. Who will told the answer? Can you explain anyone? Your opinion. I want don't want to answer anything. Just
Because,
your opinion. Why
because,
need to maintain?
because,
Yeah.
because requirement, sir.
Okay, super. Why requirement is there? Dev stage production. Dev QAT production. QA means QA quality acceptance test. UAT means user acceptance test. సో నేను ఇవన్నీ చెప్తున్నా కదా, ఇవన్నీ ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంటర్వ్యూయే. ప్రతి వాడు రికార్డులో ఉన్నప్పుడు రాసుకోండి వీడియో చూసినప్పుడు. డెవ్ స్టేజ్ ప్రొడక్షన్. సో ఇప్పుడు త్రీ ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్. సో సేమ్ నేమ్. సో రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ సేమ్, డెవ్లో సేమ్, అండ్ సేమ్ ఇన్ ద stage and same in the production, and virtual machine also Linux in the dev same, and production is the same, and stage also same, and same application I am running the some application on the virtual machines, so like Windows machine or Linux machine, some Java application. So same. Why need to maintain three? Why wasting the money? And correct na, three means wasting the money, yeah? Tell me. This is very important because I need to. This is one of the pipeline delivery pipeline. Why we are creating three stages, three levels? Your opinion. Tell me your opinion. So requirement is there. Why requirement created there? Why requirement happen? ఎందుకు వచ్చింది?
సార్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఏదైనా వర్క్ ఉంటే దాన్ని త్రీ స్టేజెస్గా డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఈ టీం ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, ఈ టీం నుంచి ఇక్కడికి, దాని
Mm,
పర్పస్.
mm. కొంతవరకు ఓకే. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. ఎనీబడి? Because understanding is very important, then only you can you understand the important, this is the very very important small topic, then only you can explain the interviewer, so why you are doing this one and thing. This is linked with a lot of discussion. So nobody trying. So okay, I will tell, no problem. So three stage: dev, stage, production. Anything will be first small scale and small level. So you want to do the sweet laddu food item, so you don't know how to make a laddu. Suppose you will do the development with small grind powder and oil and try to make it, and it is if you coming you will make the that sweet. But what is your requirement? There is a parameters that need to please understood that parameters, that values is required. What is the, so what is the sweetness, oil, and that taste. So that is your, and after tasting this is the okay, this is perfection will come now, you will do the some scale. So this is what is very very important, scale it to the next level, higher level. You will make it to the some medium level, medium middle level. So like, so you will try that level, so it is perfect. So that time you will check the parameters same. What is the parameters? Sweet and powder and every concentration of so what are the, you after creating laddu there is a pre parameter is there, so it is need to achieve that. It will the say in the respect of the limits of that parameters, the taste, and I think pH also. pH you are never you are hard about a pH. PH means sweetness, that is a sour or bitter or sweetness, so like that. Then you will go satisfaction stagings before production, that is a previous step is the staging. So production, when you going the production means you are going to the give the market. So as a suite or any application, that is impact with, that is connected with the customer, marketing, and financial aspect. Very very important. There is a satisfaction of thing is there customer. Based on that only we will get the better business. So before going to production, we will check the things and ask the respect of our parameters meeting our applications working behavior, so performance application. And so we are running the virtual machines and anything we are running creating resources. What is our ultimate goal? What is the ultimate goal? Can you give anybody? We are running the virtual machine, we are running the, we are creating the some things, we are creating something resources. So in the cloud anything creating means resources, that's that resource having the applications, virtual machines, anything. So what is the our final ultimation? Suresh, Srinivas, Manikanta, Hemant, anybody? Why are doing these are the things? Why are doing the wasting the cloud machine, virtual machine? What is the use case? So what is the requirement you don't know, na? Why you are doing we don't understand. Anybody? Can you? For running application only. We are running the applications. So we are giving the service in the form of applications. Phone pay running. So phone pay, Google Pay, only your mobile total business application is running on your Mobile only. You thinking like that? So that is the front end. So there is a two tier, three tiers. So front end, middleware, and back end. So front end, Android application you are installing, that is only front end. Just usually you are you want to work with some banking. So you want with mobile contact number and I want to UPI. That is the thing. So UPI doing the server by the government of India. They are maintaining in their location back end. Middleware is the phone pay and front end is the application of a phone pay application from the Google Play Store. Understood na everybody? Sir, they are doing the business with the PhonePe front-end application. They are connecting to the middleware. So that database cloud. They are also using clouds. So that is linking to there. So we are the running the resources because we are running the applications and we are creating the business. So that service need to maintain 100% satisfaction to the end user customers. Correct or not? Can you hear me? Actually,
Sir.
hear me, na?
Yeah.
So please understood why you are running job, why you are doing the job. So what is the requirement? So there is a object is there. That object point of view you are working. So please understand. So you can also create a business if you are impactor. Means you are the creator. So you can make as a one service. There is a software is a normally service, not physically available. Not so it is a digital form. Correct or not? Software is a digital form or not? Is right or not? So you need to pay for that digital formation. Phone pays. It is digital formation only, na? You can't catch and you can't hit. You
You
can't
can.
touch. Correct or not? It is a digital form. So software is already only the services, information service, financial services. There is a lot of I don't exactly that much. I am learning now only. So that's the impact. So you can create a service. Suppose how you can create a service. Suppose you and me, we want to communicate the some application. Already we have WhatsApp, Telegram things, lot of. So only private and secure, only private, only for our organization. We will modify like chat application with some privately with cloud services. We can make and we will use for only our business. So that's will also services. That is a one business creation like that. So that's the thing. So why we are creating the three stages like dev, QA stage and production. Dev we will test the minimum scaling and aspect respect to parameters test result. It's okay. Go for the next level and there is also okay. So before going to the production, we make sure that our application will working will very fine. That is the correct important. Otherwise, it will impact the huge impact on their business. That's why in staging will be check the before going to the production. So production also will go and we will check the production also. Only checking with the staging only and leave it not correct. So production also will check. So if your system hanging, performance bugging, suddenly crash out, so even games, anything will be do the same. So running the games also. So giving the application to the world. So we need to maintain the stateful requirements need to meet. That's the thing. So I think you are understood, huh? Almost I think this is a Terraform also allows this state file to be stored into shared and secure storage called remote backend. Now, this is the remote backend is the some technical term. So that is the shared and secured storage. So I will copy and what are the requirement is there. Why I am saying this one, dev and these are things in delivery pipelines. We are doing the pipelines in Azure DevOps. So that point of view, we will do create the for going to the production. Before we will do the development stage and QA stage, and we will add three steps, three stages like dev and stage and production. So that's why I am told. And what is important? Why I need to create a three stage? This is the thing. So if you ask the interviewer, why need to maintain same things in three stages? If you ask the people, they will compulsory ask. So they will test it your knowledge. So normally doing the job, that's everybody do. So they want to check the what is your interest of this technology and perspective, and you how much you will be grow into the your project and job area, like in your career. They will check like that. That's why I explained this thing. This is a store remote backend is a technical term. So there is a, if you ask the remote backend in the Terraform file, what is that? If you ask this, so stored in a shared and secured. Shared means shared to the respective stakeholders, and secure storage called, that is a storage. So will store the state file in a secured storage area as a shared method. So shared to the respective stakeholders, not only to public. Anybody can check this, can access the remote backend. No, only accessing having people only can access the remote backend. So this is the name. It is a noun, remote backend. So remote backend means stored by the state file into the remotely some of the cloud. So it is will be stored with secure and shared method. That's the thing. Okay, we'll learn. We'll now we understood that what is the remote backend. So now practicals. So that is a practicals. Maybe it is a old method. We'll try. Otherwise, we'll go for second method. So to create a Azure storage account to and blob container, we can use the either portal. Other we will create a script. Is saying the script. Mm, mm, mm. What is the script and what is the Azure portal? Manikanta, what is the script and what is Azure portal? What is Azure portal method name?
GUI, sir. Azure
Super,
portal name
super.
is graphical
Says,
user interface, sir.
so yes, yes. User interface is Azure portal and script is the coding.
Yes, sir.
So we are already learn Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, and Terraform also now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
included.
Yes, sir.
So what is the method? And it is saying this is ash symbol is the steps. If you seeing this code not understood, but when divided and we will understand the concept, it will understood very easily. See that. Now I am when I seeing I am also confused, but this is statement creating a resource group one step, and then leave it this code. Okay, and create a storage account second step, and get a get the storage account key. So create storage account created, and getting the storage account key means we want to access the storage key. So getting the storage key, so with the storage key we can open the storage, correct na? When you having
Yes,
the
sir.
lock in your hand,
Yes, sir.
you want the key. So that key will be the, will we open the lock. So then only we enter to the room. What is the room? In the storage is the room. So we can you access the storage. Next, create a blob container. So creating a blob container means I not explained, so I will explain the some things. Today class is also very very important. I think So I will do through code only. So UI already we did a lot of times.
Yes, sir.
So after that creating, I will show explain. So I am doing the one by one aspect. So just I am copying this one. Otherwise, this is the PowerShells. Sir, this is a AG commands. This is a AG means Azure CLI. If you there is a PowerShell, there is a command connect to something different AG command like. So based on the AG and think which script, which code used, we need to understand. He is used Azure CLI. That's the thing.
Okay, sir.
So this is for creating the to maintain the state file into remotely. We need blob container. This is the finally important. For this one, we needed to create these 4 steps. So please remember these 4 steps. We forgot this code. Code will be, you know, the create resource group. You can Google it. You can make that. You can Google it for storage account. You can Google it and these things. So I am doing this thing same only. So I am copying. This is very important thing. So I want to create the resource group. So in the terminal. So AG command. So there is no need to write a file. Here go into Google AG create resource group. Okay. Is okay na? So I am not using the that document. I using the steps. Don't need to by heart. Don't need to confuse. So we having the lot of document. Hell means lot of document. Hell lot of. So this is option age group creation location name we need to give if you want a tags. So I will give the tag also because I'm interested in dev and QA and strings. Let's that's the way. So I'm notepad. I'm copying this one. So this is not correct. Here also, sorry. Here also you can copy. So going to notepad. Where is it? Notepad. Here, paste it. So I want this one. Waste year of. Here iPanel they are mentioning correct. There is no need. So that is option only. L means location. Short form. Observe that in the top he is saying a location here hyphen L. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is a
Central
the
India.
short form. So system accept central yes. So resource group state TF RG. So here one more option is there tags tag dev. So what will happen if we create? So before that AG work, I need to ensure that I am in I am log in to the system or not. Just I am doing the same. So I log into the system. This is important. Otherwise, anything will not work. If you have a doubt, so 2 days you will not log in. So try to log in once again. No issue. For if you log in also, it is will not give any throw error. But if you not log in means means if you log out from the system, it will throw error, and sometimes that is not related. It will not show that you are not logging like that. So then notepad copy command. So dev I given like a dev, that is a label. So dev environment. So resource group like. So central US not happen. What is the issue? Can you tell anybody?
సార్ మనం అది క్రియేట్ చేసినాక డిలీట్ చేస్తుంటాం కదా సార్.
The, uh, this is the error came. What is the issue?
ఎర్రరే ఇప్పుడు మన రిసోర్స్ గ్రూప్ మనం ఎప్పటికప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేస్తాం కదా సార్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయే ముందు. ఇప్పుడు ఆడ మళ్ళీ కొత్త క్రియేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటాం.
Why it is getting error? Why it is giving error? Because I typed some letter. The simple. See here, central US is not available for resource group. So not available
Centra,
means why?
Centra, sir.
Why
Centra, Centra.
central US not available is saying. So East US available, Central US is available, East US. So like that. So East US also be okay. So like that. Simple. So getting the errors, there is a explanation also there. So they is given lot of things. Australia, West India, full information. So tax dev, see that type Microsoft Resource Group, state RG, so created. So this is important. Understanding, observing the things when getting the errors. First, getting the errors, don't afraid first software, because we will run. We are working with the code, so it will give you always almost errors only. Understood, na?
Okay, sir.
So if you getting the errors, na, you will afraid, na. So you can't do the job next day.
Huddle, huddle.
Uh, that's a very very important. So you need to face a lot of time. Be ready. So otherwise they will give job. Why? So if you are having the issue only, problems only, then we are having the job. That's the thing. So you have the capability, then only they give job. So I want check this in the cloud. I am refreshing. State FRG created. So see that this is the environment dev. I am differentiating this to different one. Dev. Now I am create the same name with production tag. It will different environment. Understood, no? Development. So I am doing the development here, and after that for staging or production, I will go for the production. So here success, I will go for success production. Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Now second thing. So I am following the document only. Yeah? So not coding. Create a storage account. So that is my second motivation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so I not by hearting. I not so I want to do the activity. I know the steps. I want to do the practice. So that's why I am doing the here. AG create
Storage
super storage
account.
account. Simple. Like that you need to know. So any I so here thousand is less commands is there. So if you go to the anywhere, if you will buy book, you need to practice all. It is not possible. Even though you are at any institute, they will can't told anything. They will basic fundamentals. They will how to survey and how to use whenever requirement is there. Everybody do same. So that's the thing. So I want to example. There is a comments a lot of there. AJ storage account check name. This is name checking. So not required. So storage account creation. This is correct. So for example, this is storage account create and resource group L and standard LRS. So I am checking that this book document and it is okay or not. So AJ storage account create resource group. So okay, resource group name given and name storage. So SQ standard LRS. Encryption is a service blob. So he is maintaining the encryption. Means encrypt means decrypt. Anybody heard about encrypt decrypt?
I think encrypt means copy, sir.
Copy,
Decoding type.
copy decoding.
DNA to RNA providing that time I am hearing that one word.
Okay, okay. You have one situation. So, I want for everybody. I think is if you in hard about that, please give explanation. Otherwise, leave it. Encrypt and decrypt. Srinivas, Manikanta, Hemant.
సార్ ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ వాట్సాప్లో చూసాను సార్ నేను.
Right. End to end encrypt in WhatsApp. Correct.
ఎస్ సార్.
So, based on this encryption only, Telegram downloads increased. Correct. Previous articles also float in the newspaper.
యాక్చువల్గా నేను 10 days నుంచి మమ్మల్ని అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నాను సార్. అది ఏంటి సార్, దానికి మీనింగ్ కూడా చూసాను సార్. అసలు గూగుల్లో కూడా నాకు ఎక్కడా అర్థం కాలేదండి. ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్ అని వస్తుంది కదండి, అలా అది ఏంటని అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను 10 days.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will explain now. And no, Srinivas, you have opinion? I am asking only opinion. I am not asking the answers. Because you are not child, I am not a teacher. Student. Hemant?
హలో అన్నా.
Hemant.
ఆ,
You can explain encrypt and decrypt.
అదే సార్, నేను కూడా వాట్సాప్ లోనే చూశాను సార్ అది.
So I will explain encrypt and decrypt. I think WhatsApp na, so everybody it is end-to-end encryption and thing. So he seen the here also. I think end-to-end encryption. This is end-to-end encryption. Where it is? So here will you come sometime encrypt. It is end-to-end encrypt like. So what is end-to-end encrypt means? So when you give in the information to the second one, so I'm discussion and I'm giving the information my WhatsApp application to this number. So then here my data will be the encrypt means lock. So my data not go into the as a direct. So it will be the lock. How lock means some coding. I will explain. So this is very important. So when having the situation, I am encrypt methods. Here description. So here in cryptography, so encryption is the process for encoding information, coding the information. So normally digital your data not going to the flow normally with digital form 0 1 2, but not like that. It is will be changed to the coding form, some locks. See that these images, we will lock the data, so not normal data will not flowing. So sending the data that is encrypt, so reception public key. So we will um, your water, suppose we having a pipeline of water flowing, so we having a like in paint I will show that. So you are sending the document through WhatsApp application. So everybody WhatsApp. Here there's receiver. This is a WhatsApp person, and A is a one WhatsApp, B user. So these are the users. So it is not sending directly. It is they having a server of Facebook Meta server. So that's why I am server. This is a server by server of WhatsApp. So okay. Normally you sending the data, sending the data, and it will be set. Okay, like that. So there is a bidirections. Bidirection means two-way method. Two side it will flow data. So normal information sending digital formation, but you what you do now, you will make a extra layer, extra key. So anybody stole from the between the servers data, somebody want to stole your data, understood na? So who is you do like that? Hackers. So that is a hackers. So hackers want to see the data, so they are stolen your data. So government also having the method, so they can retrieve the data. So but they are having a, we will shield this data with some security key encrypt with 64 bit 32 bits. So there is a data will be lock, so we will protect the data with top of the layer the data to some crypting means there is a locking the data, so there is a box. So with the only key, so the key will having the with this server, the key will be having I think good symbol notice. So this is a key, if you say a key having the server only. So nobody, if you stole the data also, they can't that decoding, and so it is English or Persia or Telugu or anything data. So they can't find the what is the data, and they not format that data. They can't understand. Understood na now? Encryption means hello.
Sir, once again, sir.
So what is the means? So the data flowing from the to the server, from A to server and to B, and same server B to and server A. So it is normally digital for formation. It is going 0 1 byte, but we are doing the normal flowing not like that. We will add the code security key. Will in the top means in the middle it will be having the information, and in the top we will add the code. So secret key. So then with key only, so system will give send the key. So key having the WhatsApp business. So if you speak WhatsApp A person, the WhatsApp B person having the key. So then he will decode and he will find the answers. Otherwise you will get the result also hacking. So but he is hello, he will give type na, there is a random codes and symbols will come. So you can't decode. Hello means hello will not come. Understood na? He is doing the encrypt. He is doing the decryption with key. He is opening the data with key. He having the key. He is also having the key. So end to means end to end key encryption means he is doing the encryption. He is doing the encryption means he is also is sending the data with keys creation encrypting the data means locking the data. He is also encrypting the data, and when he is sending data, he is receiving, and he having the key. So WhatsApp group people only having the key. So that's why he is decrypting the data. Decrypt means opening the lock. That's decrypting. Here also decrypting. So WhatsApp group people only, WhatsApp server only having the decrypting and encrypt. So encrypt means end to end means everybody having the encryption. So when is sending the data, nobody can access from the entire world outside of the server of this one, WhatsApp group. Understood na?
అంటే సార్ ఏ పర్సన్‌కి, బి పర్సన్‌కి తెలవకుండానే ఏ పర్సన్ రాసిన డేటా నుంచి
Yes.
సర్వర్‌కెళ్ళే లోపల అది కోడింగ్ అవుతుంది. మళ్ళా
So
అక్కడి నుంచి
yeah,
సర్వర్ నుంచి బికి పోయేటప్పుడు డీకోడింగ్ అవుతుంది. మధ్యలో ఎవరైనా
so
తీసుకున్నా గూడా అది అర్థం కాకుండా
correct.
ఉంటది.
అసలు ఆళ్ళు డాటా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసినా కూడా ఏం హాయ్ హాయ్ అన్న డిజిటల్ ఫాస్ట్ నార్మల్గా ఉన్నట్టు ఉండదు డాటా.
అదే సార్
సో
ఒక్కోసారి
లాక్
మనం
ఉంటుంది.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్‌కి ఇవి ఈ పేపర్ ఇవి చూస్తున్నప్పుడు మనకు ఒక్కోసారి తెలుగు పేపర్ ఉంటది కాబట్టి తెలుగుది ఒక్కోసారి అదేదో వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్‌లో సింబల్స్‌లో ఓపెన్ అయితుంటది. సరైన సాఫ్ట్‌వేర్
కరెక్ట్. ఎస్, దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. Encrypt decrypt is important, and 64 232-bit key. These are the versions. So that is how much security will be created by encrypt decryptive only. That's the thing. I pasted na, why it is not accepted? Oh, 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 it's okay. Next we'll need to do the activity. Continue storage account. So resource group created, and this is okay. So I will copy and I will change the notepad accordingly. Notepad, I will type here down. I want to change the storage account name, and so my name is storage account name state RG. And I have doubt to. This is wrong. This is a storage account name. So I am creating a state RF storage. So storage I am will giving the name as a STG. Okay. This is a resource group. Is the correct? This is the resource group state RF. and location central US. And SQU is extended started LRs, and what is the document is saying? Something is saying, so to create it, LRS. Okay, so here hyper encryptions services blob, that is the thing we need to type. Encryption encryption services blob. So for creation for encryption, this is a policy. It will be also find in the Google. uh, okay, we did almost, but I have doubt that whether I need to give tag or not. So I need to check here. Tag is there. Resource group tag available now. So I need to maintain tag or not. I don't know. That's the thing. So he is having tag. So I will maintain the tag. So I am checking the tag. Okay. So tag as a dev. So I am copying this command, trying to execute it. CLS, clean the screen, enter.
సార్ ఇది ఇప్పుడు టెర్రాఫామ్ మరి పైథాన్ అని ఎందుకు వస్తుంది సార్?
Python, where is Python?
మీరు ఇప్పుడు టెర్మినల్ లాస్ట్లో అటు ఉంది చూడు సార్ పైథాన్ అని, ఇప్పుడు కాపీ చేశారు కదా సేమ్
Okay.
ఈ ఫోల్డర్లోనే మీరు కొద్దిగా డిలీట్ ఆప్షన్కి పక్కన సార్
Where is Python? Where is Python?
పోయింది సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఆడ ఇప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చిందంటే PWSH
TWSH.
అది PowerShell.
అక్కడ ఇందాక
That
పైథాన్
is
అని ఉండే సార్.
Python. Okay, I think not on. Okay, so we'll check. PowerShell. That is PowerShell is now working. That's why. So what is the saying? State for TF is not storage account name. State account must
Not
be
a
3 and
valid storage
so
account.
so 3 and 24 characters, and in length use numbers so and lowercase only, letters only. So because of this is a name problem. So 3 and 4 characters. I need to change the things. I think what is the suggestion? 3 and 24 characters. So okay, 3 characters is there, so numbers only there. So stage dev, I think it will come. We'll check.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది చూడండి సార్ పైథాన్ అని.
Where is Python? This is a
సేమ్ ప్లేస్.
yes. It is taking some development in Python programming. That background by the I don't know exactly Visual Studio Code or anything. So that's why. So now it is Python environment is running. So which software, which development used, we don't know, na? So this is see that we are created. I think this happening easily. So I want to go there. So in the resource group, so previously no resources there. Observe that changes. What is happening? So I am stateful RG. Um, Still is creating or not. This is only production and thing. Okay, na? Created here. Central resources. So if you go there, your overview will be see the lot of things. So you are created a storage disk. So here saying that blob and container. So normal storage account, this is a storage account. Here observing. So this is the thing. I will paint and I will write on that picture. Then only you will remember lot of time. So, and you will know latest. So for the doing the one activity when you learning the things, so there is opportunity to learn what are the things. So this is a storage account. So I will highlight only this is, that is under almost name all typed. So I need, so this is the data storage types. This is a very important. So name also no need to type because this is a name. So we will storage account, we will store the data as a container, as a file store, as a queue, as a table. See that container. So I will explain everything here only. So for this one I will message here with the text. So any type of data, so remember these things and don't forget never with cloud. So I am 80% cloud knowledge I am giving actually this is not a cloud document training class, this is Azure DevOps, but I am giving that cloud almost information. Data type any data type means, so data types, tell me that data types. Normally you are storing the folder na, so what type of data can be stored in your store Windows system?
Image, words,
Yeah,
PDF.
super. Great. Suresh, this much of a knowledge you having. Ah, yes, image, videos, MP4, MP3 are video format, and Word, Excel, Notepad, tfstates, Terraform file, exe, softwares. So any data type can store here. You understood, na? Container use purpose now.
Yes, sir. That example.
That's the example. File shares. There is a terminology. It is that self-explanatory name will be there. So there is a, so here file share. So here also the same, but we use this one to the sharing the file from your file sharing paths will be find in your organization. Normally Suresh you will be identified, and if you Srinivas maybe worked with the job, say he will also you are one file, if you find go there. I am C drive. So C drive. So there is a one, two, three drivers, and there is a folder like network sharing file. Correct here. We will find some file will be there in the organization normally sometime. So there we'll store the file. Everybody can see some department wise they will maintain network file share. This is the same option file sharing. So sharing the shared files creation. So if you put the data here, it will be Excel file. So you want share with your team. You can create your file sharing document and you can attach it to your local computer also. It will available to here. So it will attach to any computer in the respect to anybody. So you can put the document here. It will share to the all friends. Understood? No? Shared file creation. Understood? Any doubt here? What is the usage? Say yes or no, anything.
Yes, sir. Present in our company, SharePoint is separately given to us.
Yes. SharePoint also same like that. Correct. So that is the thing. So queues. Queue means what is a queue? Queued. message. Queue means line queue. One person requirement completed, so second person option will come. Passport, queue, movie theater. You will enter the queue and take the ticket. After that, next body. So it will wait and it will consume. It is after completion of the task, it will come go to the next. So we will send the queue method information. That's the thing. So for this one, so waiting is the one important. So this behavior is that we will send a lot of document, but it will wait for first to completion, then it will go for next, like that. So that is a thing. And last one is that last one, table format, like student directory, register, method. So there is a, so not any, it is deadly opposite to any data type, correct or not? So any data type is not work. It will work only table type. So table formatted data will be stored here. So that's the thing. Data storing. So they designed as their requirement is, like in world these four category. So they divided and created services for table formatted data. Understood na? Now almost.
Yes, sir.
If not understood, see this. Otherwise, waste of time. Already we are doing the. So this is the thing. So, so I will resize to some because it is high length, 990. So okay, now I will copy. I am brushed. No problem. Where is Word file? So image will be give more things. Today class is very lengthy because I want to complete this Terraform today. That's why we are doing the practicals also correct way. So that's why. So this is about storage, and we are created storage group and thing. And moreover, one more thing is that dev is there. See that, correct or not? Hey, it is already highlighted. Dev environment is created or not, storage purpose. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Dev.
So tag worked. So the document, where is document? This is this document given. This is option is there. So I used. So there is no nothing. So there is a book combination and there is a current document method. So I used it to create and create a result here. So now completed the storage account. Okay. Next, getting the storage account key. Correct? So this is the option. So he is doing the account key is called dollar something group backend. So that is a account key is called dollar. So AG storage account key list is the command. So group, and this is a command, and this is the things. So I will check that document. No problem. AG, what is the is experiment? Get a storage account key with AG. So I will type like that. AG get storage account key. See that it is pop-upping. Example. So list. This is the dialog. So this is the command. So I am pasting into the notepad. Actually my storage account name is changed, so I need to, this is a storage name, so I need to give the storage name here. So okay, my storage account is the, okay, this one, and resource group is the state archive. Okay, and what are the things missing in the document I will check. So age is account storage key list, store resource group name and account name storage, and a query 0 dot. So this is option is saying, so I am checking the document, there is a query option is there. So I am typing this last values using this one. So what I do here, so query 0. So 0 means normally we will start with counts normally nature numbers 1 2 3 4. But in system softwares 0 to start. So 1 means 0. So that's why 0 dot query 0 value. So he's saying 0 dot value. So like that, query query is the value of 0 dot value and hyphen o tsv. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
That is o only na, tsv. So this is why I am using, this is the only standard format, that's why I am using. There is nothing, I don't know what is the issue, like this designed this format only. So if you having any fear, so I think we need to copy this, you know. Okay, leave it, and I will paste copy. So I'm pasting. So everything okay, I will checking. So query means, what is a query? Manikanta and Srinivas and Shemant, everybody. Query.
Query means questioning, sir. What?
Yes. So I am questioning 0 dot value of dash tsv. So that is, this is the key. See that result came. Storage key coming out. Understood na? So system given storage account key to this to speak this system. We did it almost correct. So now, so creating a blob container. So this is the command. So I will go, this is the area. I will paste this path also, it will be useful. So what is the next step now? Create a blob container. So I will go Google ag create blob container. AG create a blob container. So this is a document. I will go for example. So this is a thing. I will go checking up. So AG create a storage container and create my storage container. So he is saying, so which one is correct? I will check. AG storage container create a name and account name, storage and account key. So container create is the command, correct? Na? AG storage containers. Now it is changing the formatted actually. There is a AG storage, there is here AG storage container create. It's correct. Okay. And name will be the same, and account name storage of which one is better to create this one? So AG create blob container storage. So we will copy this command and will make it as useful. So here container name create. So this is container tfstate backend. This is our container. It will create here. Container means here containers. Now we are, when you click on the containers, no, nothing will be there. It will create here. That's understood, na? So that is what is the format. So that command I am seeing that. Now AG storage container create name and hyphen account name is storage remote TF. So that is a storage remote TF, our storage account name. So account key, this is one. So I am giving the two parameters here. Resource group create name. After that we need to give the storage account name. So this is the account name. What is the account name? We need to add that account name. Where you want to create that storage, so we need to give the storage account name. So I'm giving the storage account name, copy, and what is storage account name? This is the storage account. So in the storage I am creating the container, because without storage it will not. It is a container is a sub part of the storage. That's the thing. So okay, I given. So for accessing we need a key. So here account key is the option. So without key we can't access. Understood, na? So it is not allow. So account key. What is the key? Where is the key? This is the key. Okay. We are retrieved. We are query. We are asked that our key. I am copying this one and pasting this one. Okay. I will give as a single quotation or double quotation better, I think. Okay. Any doubt here? He is doing anything, something I don't understanding. Understand or not?
Following
Speak
sir.
up. Following, na? So I am taking the container creation. Why need container? So I will store the any type of data in here. Where any the situation is any type of data I want to store. In storage account, four type of storage accounts. So container is the best I choose. So in container I want to create a container. So what is the command here? storage container creation, that is name backend. I given tfstate backend. సో స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్లోనే క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతాం, వేరే చోట చేయలేం కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ అకౌంట్ నేమ్ స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్. సో దట్ స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్ వీటిని need to open with storage key. So that's why storage key previously with this command we are access. So we are get that secret key, that this is a key. So then I am using this key, I am creating the container. That is my ultimate. So I am entering, it is work or not, I don't know. It will work or not. So it is created true, means true means correct. Suresh Manikanta created
క్రియేటెడ్ సార్.
okay. So we are doing the beautiful so that's the thing important. Practically when you are achieving na, so you will be the more confidence. When you are asking any people, you can explain. So that's why class is very important, I am saying. So actually this is also very important. To attend the class is very important. This much of interest when you doing after recording videos also will not come. So this time you will having more attention and eagerly it will fail or not. So that attention will be, that feeling will come like that. Then that document is saying what are the things I made, correct na. So storage account blob container everything called. So it is part is completed. So I am going down. Then no configure Terraform to use. To previously created the remote backend, we need to add the configuration section with the Terraform TF file. So this is the to backend store. So this information I need to give in the my file. Okay. I will go and Visual Studio Code. Today class some lengthy. Please be patient. We will doing the practical na. So that's why. Sometimes practicals will not complete immediately. So I want to one folder today name search. Every time this is issue. So class 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 19th 06 06. So I am creating the two things here. One is a provider .tf. One is provider.tf. So one is need main.tf. Just I will create a simple storage account. Sorry, resource group only. If you need, I need. So because I wanted the practical simple method. So that's here I have provider. So that I know this is better. So provider is there and resource group is there. So this is a better. So I will use this one in my 19th class. Where is 19th classes? Here. Provider. I will paste. So I will paste and remove the resource group. This is the main file. So I will paste in the main file. Okay. So this file having the two files, provider and thing, and he is asking that Terraform TF file need to create. So I am creating one more file, Terraform TF. Correct, na? Terraform TF file. So this is the code. So I can't copy this because it is showing this. So I need to type Terraform. So this is the final shot. So here. Okay. So
Backend Azure RM.
backend Azure RM. See that it
Okay.
is pop-upping. So here in between the matter will need, right, storage account name.
Storage account name. Storage hyphen account. Yes, sir.
So the storage account name equal to
Storage.
saying that so to equal to I need to give that storage account name. So I am storing this one, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the thing, container name. So if you type container name it will come, and if it is a container, what is the container name, tf backend. Mm, so okay, and thing key is there, and my apply tf state. So he is saying that so main.tf state. So he is saying that main.tf state na. So he is explaining about the tf state only. So we will write a main.tf file. Normally we will store the main.tf state. We will check it is correct or not. We will correct, otherwise we need to do at least practicals. So then next come subject. So we are he is doing the resource group and thing and the second one or not. So let's to look at the details. Okay. Mhm. So okay, we will do the normal process. Resource group only. Terraform. So I need to go the folder first. cd class 1906. Keyboard sometime it is getting problem. So now I am able to store the things into communicated the cloud. So that's why I written one extra file tm terraform tf. That's the thing. So it is hanging actually. Okay. cls terraform init. Okay. Okay. So before that I mistake already. cd class
1906.
1906. My keyboard is not working properly. So terraform
Init.
init. Now it is backend creating. See that. We are in the folder here. 1 2 3 file is there. So error. depreciated the file now true and will be removed into 1.3 Terraform code due to. So where is the file? Use Microsoft Graph deprecated. I am using Microsoft Graph. Either I can access the SAS token or the resource scoop storage account. So I think SAS token. Access key. SAS token. So there is SAS token is there to access the storage. So I will give here. Here go. There is a SAS says shared access signature. Okay. So you can create this one. Uh, Value. You gotta read permissions. Read, add, create, write, delete, list. So permissions we can add. So it will be creating the expiry date. So I am creating the expiry date to 2 3 days. So I creating generating a SAS token with URL. So this is a blob SAS token. So I will give this token here. So with creation auto token. So now CLS Terraform. Where I am error getting init only na
Yes, sir.
SAS token is not expected. Did you mean SAS token? Hi, simple Terraform. What is the SAS token is expected here? An argument to SAS token. But did you mean SAS token? Key will be key. Okay. We will do the key actually. We having key na already. Notepad. Where is notepad? Yes. We having the key na. I will copy key. Try.
Yes,
It
sir.
will work or not. Don't know. We'll check the both ways. I am CLS. What happened? Mm-hmm. Is saying access token or two option only old method, that is access key. So I will paste same access key. Okay, this is the access key. I think we will check. This is what. Enter blob key. This is only na blob key. So where is blob key? Here notepad we are copying. So I am, it is not pasting here. Okay, entered. Successfully configured. So it is access key, so that is asking, so I entered, so it is randomly taking, not in system also it is not recognizing. So we'll learn some point of view tomorrow also. Then we will try this things installing the hashicorp things. It continue, backend is working. Now I will do the plan and out accept. So terraform plan out main dot
Main dot tf
acquiring state lock. See that this may take few minutes. Insert future block, so at least future block required. So
one future block
so
required, sir.
so future block, okay, but so there is future block is there, so there is a issue. So we will come do the same in the tomorrow classes, because since we already delay, we will continue tomorrow with this class. And I need to remove this thing, and today tomorrow I need to do, otherwise I will be pay more money. Understood na? That's the thing. That's why I will remove these things, and I will create tomorrow as well as. So I will paste this notepad as it is same. Where it is was. Any doubts today class? I will paste these commands in notepad plus plus. It will store for some time.
No, sir.
So last configuration is mistake. So we will do the correction tomorrow. So we are almost end of the things, but we will try to find the that provider and things.